When editing your video in Capcut PC, is your video slow, or does it lag, or does it drag when you're editing?
Yes.
I know this can be frustrating, so I'm going to show you 2 ways to correct this in Capcut PC. But before I get into the video, hit the subscribe button, tap on the notification bell so you never miss any tutorial videos that we drop every week. Let's get into the video. One of the ways to stop your video from dragging or lagging while you're editing in Capcut PC is to go to the video that you want to edit after importing it. Now go to your video on your import box, click on it, now go to the top right of your Capcut PC screen where you have the details of your video and click on modify. Click on performance, and under performance you are going to see proxy. Toggle the proxy, and now it is on. Leave it at 720p. Click on save, and once you do that, you will see that your lag will stop. Now let me show you the second way to correct this issue in Capcut PC. Go to your player preview box. At the bottom of it, you are going to see the playback quality icon. Click on it. The best one is for you to use the medium quality. As you can see, it's already selected, but click on it if yours is not selected. And those are the 2 ways to correct your issue in Capcut PC.